This will be the tutorial for lesson number 10 called Mini Project Sticker Art. Click on number 1. There are no videos this time. The directions say, this is a free play. Let's build something bigger, one step at a time. Get the artist to the center of the play area using the jump to the middle center position block. Then use the draw sticker block to make something appear. Press finish when you are happy with what you have made. You're going to make something that looks like this with just one sticker. Click OK. And I'm going to click less to get this area a little bit smaller so we have more space to work with here. So they asked us to use a block that will get our artist from the corner of the square to the center of the square. And that's this block right here. And then click run. And notice that he does jump to the center. They also asked us to use a draw sticker block. So click on that, drag it and connect it to the first one. And then here you get to choose a different character. Most of these characters you have seen in some form or other, but there are some characters that we have not seen. Choose whatever character you want. I'm going to choose the dragon because that's the one that is kind of lightly drawn here already. So then he should jump to the center and he should draw the picture. I'm actually going to slow this down so we can really see it, but you can keep it at rabbit speed if you want. He jumped to the center and then drew the picture and then just click finish. Now, a moment ago, the instructions, click continue here, the instructions said that we're going to build something step by step. So what I want you to notice is that the program that we just wrote for puzzle number 1 is still here for puzzle number 2. Whatever you created a moment ago is still going to be here. The directions say change the direction of your sticker that your sticker is facing by adding a turn command to your code. Press finish when you are happy with what you have made. So a moment ago, the pictures were sideways, just like ours, but this time notice that in the examples here, they're all facing a different direction. And that's because they added a turn block. I would rather that you add this turn block right after the jump and before the sticker. So right in between the two of them, but right now it says turn by 90 degrees. That means it'll look like this. You'll turn and then draw the sticker. If you don't want that sticker to show up like that, then you can change the number 90 to whatever number you want. And they do give you some examples here. For example, there's 20 degrees. Let's try that again. And there it is. Or you can choose something halfway between 0 and 90. Or you can choose something very dramatic, like 180, so that he'll actually turn all the way around and then draw. Doesn't really matter. Just pick something and then click finish when you are ready and continue. Here is number 3. The directions say now use a loop to make more copies of your sticker. Try changing the numbers in the turn and repeat blocks to make different patterns. What that means is that they want you to take these two, not the middle one. This block that makes him jump to the center should be completely on its own. Do not put this one inside the loop. But we are going to take this loop, put it there, and then put both of these two blocks in here. Now the instructions say to try changing the numbers in the turn and repeat blocks. That means they want you to do something with this 4 and with this number, whatever number you have here, and try different combinations. I'm going to go ahead and run it the way that it is right now, but then I'm going to come back here and change these numbers to get different results. Here's what it looks like. Kind of boring, but if I change this number and try it again, very good. What if I change this number yet again, but also change this number? I almost got a circle of them. Maybe if I try a bigger number than that. Looks like I have a complete circle of this dragon. And I did that by changing the number that goes in the repeat block and the number that was in the turn block. And so I encourage you to try several combinations of these until you like what you get. And when you are ready, click finish. And then click continue. Here is puzzle number 4. Again, the same program we came up with a moment ago is still going to follow us. The directions say so much fun. Now add a second sticker right on top of the first one to make an image like the ones below. This time, you're going to end up with something that's made up of two different images. So I have to add a second sticker, and I'm going to add this one inside the loop right next to the dragon one. And right now it's a bird, but you can change it to something else. I'm going to leave it as the bird because I like the contrast between these two colors. And then when I click run, it should look like this. You can see the dragon in the background and the bird in the front. If you don't like that, change the picture. How about this llama? Now I can definitely see the dragon and the llama. And when you're ready, click finish and continue. Here is number 5, and this will be the last one for this tutorial. Again, the program that I just created is here with me. The directions say edit your code so that you jump forward between drawing the two stickers. In this puzzle, make sure that you have jump to the middle center position inside of your loop so that you stay in the center. So they're asking us to do two different things. They're asking us to put a jump right in between these two stickers. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the jump block and put it right in between. But they also said to put the jump to the middle center position block inside the loop. So I'm going to go ahead and separate these, grab this one by itself, and put it inside there. And hopefully we like what we get. And that's it for mine. I'm going to go ahead and click finish here, but this is the last puzzle for this tutorial. Hopefully you like what you have created. You are welcome to close code.